Hello children, welcome to your JC class. So in the last video we read about the nesting habits of different birds. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the some interesting facts about birds and also about the bird feeder, bird bath and how can we take care of the animals. About that also we will read. So let's start. We'll start from some interesting facts about birds. So do you know students, parrots are very good in mimics. They can copy sounds that they hear in their surroundings. They can even copy human words and laptop. So those who are having parrot at home, I think you know how they can copy your words, how they can pronounce clearly your words. Okay, so you try to teach them more words, you try to talk with them much more time so that they can tell or so that they can copy all the words or all the sounds that they hear in their surroundings, and they can even laugh also like humans. Okay, then another thing, and I have also told you that ostrich is the largest bird in the world and emu is the second largest bird in the world. So you have seen the picture of ostrich. So it is the largest bird and the second largest bird is your emu. Okay. Then what is the smallest bird in the world? That is your hummingbird. Okay. Hummingbird is the smallest bird and it can even fly backwards, means backward it can fly in the, that is here in the opposite direction. Then a cuckoo does not build its own nest. It lays eggs in the nest of other birds. So this cuckoo is very clever. Instead of building its own nest, it lays eggs in the nest of other birds. Okay. Owls can turn their heads as much 270 degrees, means it can turn backwards also. How much? 270 degree, almost it, from front side to back side you can say. Pigeons have excellent hearing ability. They can thus hear distant storms and volcanoes, and they can even know the raining also, the upcoming raining. Okay, so that's why some hearing is that if your pigeon is if a peacock is dancing, that means your raining is going to happen. Okay, then some ducks can sleep with one eye open. So this is also one interesting fact and a different also, that the ducks they can sleep with one eye open. Then in ancient Greece, pigeons delivered the results of the Olympics games. So in some movie also, in the television, I think you have seen that birds deliver the letters. Okay, in the ancient time, from one place to another place, they are delivering the letters. Okay, then quails are sometimes called honorary mammals. So why they are called the honorary mammals? Because kiwis habits and physical characteristics make unbird in so many ways. Like for example, kiwis sleep in standing up. Okay, that means while sleeping in the standing up position they are sleeping. Okay, so these are the some interesting facts about birds. Okay, try to remember this. Then we will read about the bird feeder and bird bath. So this is the picture of your twin one, that is the up one is your bird feeder and this one is your bird bath. Okay, so here what is your bird bath? Your bird bath is, these are the small swallow bowls filled with water for birds to drink water, bath and cool themselves in. So here you see the picture, two birds are there, why they are there and how this bird bath can help them, that they can bath there and they can even drink the water also. Okay, and so as they are stay outside, so they can feel hot in the summer season, so to cool themselves they need the bird bath, so there they can bath and they can cool their bodies themselves. Okay, then what is bird feeders? These are the trays containing seeds or grains placed outside to feed birds. So this is the picture of your bird feeders. So why it is there? That to feed the birds. Okay, so bird feeders are nothing but these are the trays, or sometimes these bird feeders may be your table or any container also. There your food grains will be there. Okay, or any seeds or food grains, that is called your bird feeders. So ultimately we can say bird feeders are for to feed the birds which is kept outside. Okay, then we will read how we can take care of the animals and be kind to them. So we can take care of our pets in the following ways. How? First one, we should be kind to all animals. Okay, instead of beating and or torturing them, or you can say hating them, we should be kind to all animals. We should love them and we should take care of them because they help us in so many ways. Like cow gives us milk, your hen gives us eggs, then goat also gives us milk and meat. Okay, and your horse, they help to carry our heavy loads. Okay, so they help us in so many ways, so we should be kind to all animals. Then we should not teach or hurt them. Here you can see one fellow is continuously beating to the elephant and one is hurting very cruelly to that elephant. So we should not do that. We should not teach or hurt the animals. We should also take good care of our pets. So those who are having pet at home like rabbit, then dog, cat. So if they are having any problem, we should consult your veterinary doctor. Okay, so we should take good care of our pets because we like to keep at home. Okay, they should be given food on time. So like how we take our food in proper time, that is your breakfast, lunch and dinner, and animals also should be provided their food on time. We should take them to the animal doctor when they are ill. So I said you, when they are having any difficulties or when they are ill, we should take them to the animal doctor. So animal doctors are called your veterinary surgeons or vets. So in this picture, she is the veterinary surgeon or veterinary doctor also you can say. Veterinary medicine is the branch of medicine that deals with the cure of diseases in animals. So veterinary means this is the branch for only the animals only. The veterinary medicine is the branch of medicine that deals with the cure of diseases in animals. So simply we can say that veterinary means it is related to the animals. So we have completed some ways how we can take care of the animals. So today we have discussed about the interesting facts about birds, bird birth, bird feeder, and that care of for animals. In the next video we will discuss about the question answer of this chapter. Okay, thank you.